guys, welcome or welcome back to my YouTube channel. So happy Diwali. Today as I'm shooting, it's Diwali here and yeah, so today we have like a Diwali dinner situation happening where we're invited all our friends to our house. So I have to right now clean the entire house. It's 6:30 and the party is at like 9:30ish. So I have to clean the house and yeah, I'm just gonna clean my room first because everyone will be using my room as well. So maybe come watch me clean my room. Okay. I think I don't know how to use this. Or do I? Haven't like been around enough to like know how to use this. I think I got a hand of it. Let's try it again. Hey, it's clean. Bro broke the vacuum. You can sit on it. No? We cleaned everything. Hey, yo, my video it is, bro. We cleaned the entire kitchen. We kept it as clean as possible. Our party stuff. So let's go. Party time. 1, 2, 3, go. Say hi.
எங்க மம்மி கண்டு yeah, whatever. People decided to do the weirdest thing possible. Nice. Okay.
Happy Diwali.
Yeah.